Look what I got.
Dad, what is this? That's just regular boring-ass pizza. Dad, more like door. No wonder Mom left with pizza like this.
You're a joke.
Hey, kids. Look what I got.
Sauce Bottom!
Say goodbye to boring-ass pizza. Snag a dad win with Domino's new Sauce Bottom Pizza.
My mouth is blown.
The sauce is on the bottom, so it can slam your flavor buds faster.
You know what? I'm glad Mom left.
This pizza is so good. Dad, I'm game.
Yeah, that's how we do it. No bat tonight if you don't want. My treat.
Also, try our jalapenos poppers, only at Domino's.